forget, no? I have the seat. I cannot put petrol. Otherwise I need to take off the seat and... Shit. It's too early in the morning for that. Oh my god, I'm tired, man. So I'm on my way to Fat Monkey Garage. I'm just gonna drop my seat. I want a custom one. I told him I need one looking like a Scrambler seat and very extra comfortable for road trip. So I'm gonna drop it now. I have time. I don't know how long it will take, and then we'll see. Actually, you know what, I actually don't remember where is it. I know it's on this road, and then somewhere I need to turn, maybe on the left. I'm not sure where is it. I always lost my way every time I come to his garage. I think it's on the right now. I turn there. Need to turn on the right here. Yeah, I found the way for the first time. Okay, done. 2 weeks from now. I want 2 weeks. I come back. We'll see. He has some very nice bike, man. He's always busy working. Kawasaki bike. So I'm now on my way back. It's been 3 weeks. The seat is ready 5 days ago. I couldn't go. Didn't have time. So I'm on my way back now to pick it up. Oh shit. Just parked there. Good.
It's good.
I'll try it. I'll tell you if it's...
Yeah. We use the same foam as this.
Okay.
Because the aftermarket foam is shit.
They're good.
It's clean and simple.
Yeah. Bye. So now on to the next step, fitting the seat. Let's change this. So you need a key of 10. So be careful, because when I put this, I actually lost those. actually lost those one, and if you don't have them, it's gonna unscrew. And always keep this part also. I lost it again. Can you help me 1 minute? I need to put this one in there, and then I can screw this one in there. Okay. Thank you. Fuck. I know why. Fucking stupid. Idiot. Okay, fixed. Ask always someone help. It's better. Maybe I touch the helmet. I'm gonna go down the road. Camote road. Camote. Oh, it's quite nice. It's much harder at the back. It's much better, I think, for the passenger. Ah, it's good, man. Quite like it. So I lost already the bolt on when I changed the first time I changed my my seat. I actually lost the bolt. Yeah. No comment. So basically, if you want to change your seat, just ask someone to help you. It's more easy. Fuck, that seat is nice, man. Hopefully the wife like it on the long travel. Yeah, I'm checking at the back now. It's quite nice. back on option 1. It's a nice seat, but my wife doesn't like the other one, the custom one. Made for travel. She says too painful. We make a big ride, like 2.5-3 hours, and she really hate the seat. So hopefully she like this one. Otherwise, no choice. Can get the bus.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my